Hi friends, so today we'll try to learn about the collection VBO activity. So these are the common activity which we use every project, right? So let's see how it is working that one when we read the any data from the Excel and get into the collection. So what are the activity we can perform in the collection side? So we'll check here today and we'll try to learn about that one. So some of the example I have taken here means what are the activity we can perform here. So add row, remove all row, then count rows and count columns, right, and remove row. So we'll try to understand this all our activity, how we can achieve and perform in the collection side. Okay, so we'll go one by one. Let's first we need to understand means how we can get the data from the Excel into the collection. So maybe you can watch my previous video how we can do that one. That part I will skip here. I will start from add row here. The second thing, we will go for the count row. Okay, so the same way we need to pass here the collection name and output will be stored here. So it will give as a count row, means how many row is there. So it will give, sorry. Okay, so if we connect and try to execute this one, okay, so it gives here 12. It include the row as a blank row as well. Okay, then after, what are the activity we need to understand. The another activity is that we'll go one by one, like remove row. So what happen, it will be remove the last row. Okay, so let's see, there is a one blank row in the last, so it will be remove that row. Remove row, right? Let's connect to each other and maybe we can execute from here as well. So if we go on there, now it is 11 row, it remove the blank row. Okay, so always it means that it always remove the last row. Okay, remove row, if we are using the remove row, so always it will be remove as a last row. Last row. Okay, and then after we can check the how many column count is there. Okay, so here it is the count columns. So sometime we require the how many column is there, right? So we'll use this action. We can create the here the one variable like number, and we can rename this action count columns. Okay, so what happened here, so how many column is there, right? So if you see the column 1 2 3 4 5, right? So if till that whatever the column is available here, right? So it will be give you the count of column name here. So we'll check here the column as well. Go here, let's connect to each other. Yeah, so this is our output, we can say. Yeah, this is our output block. Okay, now we can run only this one, so we can validate here the 5 row. So if you go here and check here how many row is there, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so total 5 column is there. So this is the we will use for this one is the count column activity. So one more is there, like we can check what is the remove all row. Before that, we'll go for the copy row. Okay, so we can rename this one copy row. Okay, so if you see here the condition now within the scope of the action. Okay, let's see what are the details it will be asking to us. Okay, so it will asking to the start row, means from where to where you want to means copy the row. Okay, and output will be stored in this collection. So let's copy collection, we can rename this one copy collection. Okay, and let's suppose we want from the row number 2 to 4. Okay, so we'll check that one, means how the output is coming here. So copy row. Okay, so maybe we can run this one as well. Yeah, so if you see here, it include the header as well, and it copy from the row number 2 to 4. So it include 2 2 as well, 3 and 4. So 3 row it is copy from the main input file, the student collection. So this is the 1 2 3. So it start it 0 1 2. So it start from here and it go for here. Okay, so we can see here it goes to till from the Rani. Okay, so this is the copy row. This all activity we will use in the one process if you develop any process. So this is the common activity whenever you develop a start in the collection excel activity or some other activity where we need to do the some collection activity, right? So this is the common activity which we use every project almost. So the last action which is I left because it will be remove the all the row. Okay, so let's suppose here remove rows. Okay, so what happened, it will be do remove all row, whatever the row is available in the collection. So it will be remove all these row. So let's run this one as well. Okay, so it will remove. So if you go come here and check, this is nothing. So hope you understand this things, means add row, it will be add the row below the whatever data is available previous, it will be add the below, and count row, it will be give the total number of the count, how many row is there including blank row as well. Okay, then after remove row, it will be remove the last row only, and this one is the count columns, means how much column is available on that collection. So it will give as a collection. Copy row means we need to pass the from the start, we need to pass the start row number and the end number, and it will be the output will be give you as a collection. So maybe as per your scenario you can put here the from where to where you need to copy the data and get into the data. So this is it can help you.